welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing some beautiful paper colorful flowers. You will need glue stick, a black sketch pen, a pencil, a color paper of your choice, and a scissor. Please be careful with the scissor, guys. It's very sharp. Now let's start our craft. For the next colorful paper flower craft, you will need a glue stick, some tape, they can be really sticky, a pencil, and a scissor. Guys, be really careful with the scissors. I hope you are. And colorful papers. Let's start. How pretty it came out. I have sticked it with the tape so it sticks good. And I've made some designs so it looks good. Isn't it pretty? I've also made one out of newspaper. I have put more layers than one. It's easy to make it. You just make the flower smaller than the bigger one. I have also taped this. The next one also is made out of 4 layers. It is very colorful. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 layers. And the last one, I like this. I have also just made it out of colorful paper. I have drawn the leaves and have sticked it to the stem. I have also made the butterfly out of paper. Just cut it and stick it. I have also made the designs. I hope you like it. You can also put all the flowers in a vase like this. Or if you don't have a vase or like this cup, you can also put it somewhere else. Or give it to one of your friends, which they'll obviously like it. I have not stick the stem to it because I like it how it is. But if you want, you can put a stem to it. Or you can either stick it somewhere. It will look pretty. Well, I hope you like my crafts. Please give a thumbs up. Bye.